I want to talk about parental kidnapping in the state of Michigan. My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, when you take your child without your legal right to do so, that is tantamount to parental kidnapping in the state of Michigan. As a matter of fact, some of you may hear those weird beeps on your phone, those Amber Alerts. You know, that's not some kid that's being lured into a van by strangers with candy and he's thrown in the van and kidnapped. I suppose it could be that way, but more than likely that's an Amber Alert because somebody's parentally kidnapped their kids. That is to say, they took the child without legal right to do so. And yes, even a parent can be guilty of parental kidnapping. Now, generally speaking, parental kidnapping contemplates the presence of a court order that says that so-and-so has the kids. So therefore, if you have them, you're violating the court orders. But this can be very serious. Don't just think that it's a friend of the court thing, because parental kidnapping can lead to criminal charges and it can lead to a loss in custody. The other side could file an immediate application to change custody as a result of the parental kidnapping. So it's a very serious thing. Really, it's easily triggered. You might think, well, I'm supposed to bring the child back on Monday. I'm coming back on Tuesday. I couldn't get the flight or whatever it is. You need to work that out. You need to establish that this is not being done to violate the court's order, but rather it's circumstantial. Because if not, you could lose custody. You could be facing parental kidnapping charges. So it's very, very serious. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.
248-588